So limit of f of x as x tending to 5, where f of x is equal to modulus of x minus 5. So you know the definition of modulus of x here. According to definition, it is x if x is greater than 0 and minus of x if x less than 0 and 0 if x is equal to 0. This is the definition of modulus here. Because modulus means always positive here. So modulus of x is x if x value greater than 0. Means here if these values are greater than 0, in that case use this function. And if you take these values here, these are all less than 0 values here, less than 0. In that case take this function here. And at 0 it is a 0 3. Therefore x tending to 5 is there. So 5 is greater than 0. 5 greater than 0, direct take this one here. Therefore limit of f of x as x tending to 5 is equal to limit of x tending to 5 modulus of x minus of 5. Therefore this is equal to limit of x tending to 5, okay, and modulus of x is x here, x minus 5, because here 5 is greater than 0, 5 greater than 0, therefore take this function here, modulus of x is x here. Direct substitute of 5 here, therefore 5 minus 5 it becomes a 0, so 0 is the answer here. Suppose f of x is equal to this function here, and they given if limit f of x as x tending to 1 is equal to f of 1, what are possible values of a and b here? Okay, take care of solution. So here take LHL and RHL here, because x tending to 1 is there, and here x less than 1, x greater than 1, and x equal to 1 here. X less than 1 means you are taking these values here. You are taking values from left hand, and from right hand side all these values are greater than 1 here. X is greater than 1. Therefore, take your LHL here. LHL is equal to limit of f of x as x tending to 1 minus x. Minus indicates you are taking values from left hand side here. Therefore, limit of x tending to 1 minus here. Here x less than 1 function is a plus bx here. So right here a plus bx. Minus indicates you are taking values from left hand side, hence x less than 1 here. Direct substitute x value 1 here. Therefore a plus b into 1 is equal to a plus b. Is equal to a plus b. Then take RHL here. RHL is equal to limit of f of x as x tending to 1 plus here. Therefore, limit of x tending to 1 plus here. Plus means you are taking values from right hand side here. X greater than 1. The function is b minus ax here. Therefore, b minus of a into x here. Direct put x value 1 here. So it gives b minus a. A into 1 becomes a. So b minus a. Then f of 1. Here x equal to 1. The value is of 4 here. And f of 1 is equal to 4. They are already given here. At x equal to 1. F of 1 is equal to 4 here. Here they given this function here. Given that limit of f of x as x tending to 1 is equal to f of 1 here. And you know that limit exists when LHL and RHL both are equal here. Limit of f of x as x tending to 1 this exists when left hand limit and right hand limit both are equal. Limit f of x as x tending to 1 minus is equal to limit of f of x as x tending to 1 plus is equal to f of 1 here. Then limit f of x as x tending to 1 minus is a plus b here. Therefore, write here a plus b. A plus b is equal to limit of f of x as x tending to 1 plus is b minus a. So write here b minus a is equal to, and f of 1 value is of 4 here. So write here 4. Therefore, a plus b is equal to 4. A plus b is equal to 4. Take equation number 1 here. B minus a. B minus a is equal to 4. Take this one as equation number 2. Then adding 1 and 2. Okay. So adding equations 1 and 2. Minus a plus a cancels, b plus b becomes 2b is equal to 4 plus 4 becomes 8 here. Therefore, b is equal to 2 1s or 2 4s are cancels here. Therefore, the value of b is 4 here. Put b is equal to 4 in the equation 1 here. So put b is equal to 4 in the equation 1. Therefore, a plus 4 is equal to 4 here. Take 4 right hand side here. 4 minus 4 becomes 0. Therefore, a is equal to 0. Therefore, a value is 0 and b value is 4 here. This is the answer here. So, in this example here, let a1, a2, dash 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 an be fixed real numbers and define a function f of x is equal to x minus a1 into x minus a2 dash 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 x minus an. What is the limit f of x as x tends to a1? And for some a is not equal to a1, a2 and so on an, compute limit of f of x as x tending to an. Therefore, take your solutions. First find this one here. Limit of f of x as x tending to a1 is equal to limit as x tending to a1 here. Function is x minus a1 into x minus a2 into dash 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 x minus of an here. Okay. Now direct substitute x equal to a1 here. Therefore, this is equal to, so a1 minus of a1, then a1 minus of a2 here, dash dash dash. So a1 minus an here. Here a1 minus a1 becomes 0. So 0 into bracket a1 minus a2 and so on here. Continue. So a1 minus of an. Then 0 into any term becomes 0. So this is equal to 0. Okay. Limit of f(x) as x tends to a1 is 0. Value of this limit is this here. 0 here. Then find here limit of f of x as x tending to a is equal to limit as x tending to a. Then f of x is x minus a1 into x minus a2 into dash 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 x minus of an. Now you put x equal to a here. Therefore, this is equal to a minus a1 into a minus a2 dash 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 a minus of an here. Okay. So this is the answer here. In the previous case, this becomes 0. 0 into any term becomes 0. Here, x a cannot be a1, a2 and so on an. Therefore, the answer is a minus a1 into a minus a2 and so on into a minus an. This is the solution here. So again, modulus of x is there. we are using this definition here. So x, if x is greater than 0, minus x if x less than 0, and 0 if x equal to 0. Again, less than and greater than type functions here. Therefore, take a LHL. LHL is equal to limit of f of x as x tending to 0 minus here. Limit as x tending to 0 minus means less than 0. X less than 0, function is this here. Modulus of x plus 1 here. We are taking a values from left hand side here. So modulus of x is minus x here. Take here minus of x. Therefore, this equal to limit of x tending to 0 minus of minus x plus 1 here. Put x value 0. Minus 0 plus 1, it becomes plus 1 here. Therefore, LHL is 1 here. Then RHL. RHL is equal to limit of f of x as x tending to 0 plus here. Therefore, this is equal to limit of x tending to 0 plus. Plus means you are taking a values from right hand side here. So x is greater than 0 is this one here. So modulus of x minus of 1 here. Therefore, this is equal to limit of x tending to 0 plus means take here plus x here. X minus of 1 here. Put x value 0. So 0 minus of 1 is equal to minus 1 here. So LHL is 1 here and RHL is 1. Both are not equal. Therefore, LHL is not is equal to RHL. Therefore, limit of f of x as x tending to 0 does not exist here. Does not exist. Therefore, the meaning here, limit of f of x as x tending to a. Okay, a here. As x tending to a exists for all a. For all a except 0. Except the value 0. Okay. Instead of 0, 0 bit, all values limit exists. Okay. For all the values of a, this limit exists except 0. This is the answer. Because here LHL not equal to RHL as x tending to 0. Therefore, limit does not exist here. Okay, here if the function f of x satisfies the limit f of x minus 2 divided by x square minus 1 as x tending to 1 is equal to pi. Pi means it's a definite value here. Pi is a definite value. Then evaluate limit f of x as x tending to 1 here. Okay. Therefore, limit of f of x minus 2 divided by x square minus 1 as x tending to 1 is equal to pi. They are already given here. Okay, so here limit of this function is a pi. Pi is a definite value. Therefore, if you put x value 1 here, it becomes a 0. Denominator becomes a 0. So here limit of x tending to 1. So x square minus 1 is equal to 0 here. Okay, here limit of the denominator is 0. Therefore, limit of the numerator also 0. Limit of f of x minus 2 as x tending to 1 is equal to 0. Because it is of the form 0 divided by 0. These are the form 0.0. I am extending one example here. Limit of sin x divided by x here as x tending to 0. Okay. Then the limit of numerator is 0. Limit of denominator is also 0. Means it is a 0 by 0 form. But you know the formula limit sin x upon x as x tending to 0 is 1 here. If you direct substitute to 0, then it is a 0 upon 0 form. But according to the formula, the value of this limit is 1 here. Therefore, in this case, here value of this limit is a pi. It is a constant here. Definite value means this limit exists here. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಈ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಪೈ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್. ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದಾಗ ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ 0 ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಏನಿರ್ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು 0 ಇರ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ 0 by 0 ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಇದು ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ 0 ಇದೆ ಅಂದಾಗ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಸಹಿತ 0 ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 0 upon 0 ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ದೆನ್ limit f of x as x tending to 2 is equal to take up to right hand side here. Limit of f of x as x tending to 1 is equal to 2 here. Therefore, when this value is 2 here, 2 minus 2 becomes 0. Therefore, 2 minus 2 becomes 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. Hence, it is a 0 upon 0 form. So, you are using some method here. After simplification, you get the answer pi. Okay. ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಮೆಥಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ pi ಅಂತ ತಂದಿರ್ತೀರ. ಬಟ್ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ 0 upon 0 ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತದು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 1 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ 0 ಬಂತು. ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಸಹಿತ 0 ಇರುತ್ತೆ, 0 upon 0 ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಈಗ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ 0 ಹಾಕ್ತೀರ, ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0 upon 0 ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಬಟ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನಿದೆ 1 ಇದೆ. ಈಗ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ minus of 2 square divided by x minus 2 as x tending to 2 here. Then if you put x value 2 here and here it gives 0 divided by 0 form here, 0 upon 0 form. But if you use the formula here, according to the formula, so 2 into 2 raised to 2 minus 1 here. Therefore 2 into 2 here, 2 minus 1 is 1, 2 raised 1 is 2, then 2 2s are 4 here. Actually, the value of this limit is 4. But if you substitute 2 here, then it is 0 by 0 form. ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ 2 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 0 upon 0 ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಂತ. ಬಟ್ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಬಂತ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 4. ಹಾಗೇನೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಪೈ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಬಟ್ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ 0 upon 0 ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ 0 ಇದೆ ಅಂದಾಗ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಸಹಿತ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0 by 0 ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್. ಆಗ minus 2 right hand side ತಗೊಂಡು limit f of x as x tending to 1 is equal to 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Therefore, value of this limit is 2 here. So there is a function here. F of x is equal to mx square plus n and x less than 0. nx plus m 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. nx cube plus m x greater than 1. For what integers m and n does both the limit f of x as x tending to 0 and limit f of x as x tending to 1 exist here? There are two questions here. Okay, so 0 and 1 here. At this point, the values of m and n are what here? At this point, what are values of m and n is? Therefore, at x equal to 0, at x equal to 0 here. Okay, take LHL and RHL here. LHL is equal to limit of f of x as x tending to 0 minus here. Limit of x tending to 0 minus means less than 0. X less than 0. This side here. X less than 0. X less than 0 function is mx square plus n. So mx square plus n. Then put x value 0 here. Therefore m into 0 plus n here. Therefore, the value is n here. Then RHL is equal to limit of f of x as x tending to 0 plus n. Plus indicates taking values from right hand side here, x greater than 0. You just observe here, x greater than 0 is this one here, nx plus n. So this is equal to limit of nx plus n as x tending to 0 plus n. Put x value 0. Therefore, n into 0 plus m. Therefore, this value is m here. Therefore, a limit exists when LHL and RHL both are equal here. Therefore, limit of f of x as x tending to 0 exists if LHL is equal to RHL here. LHL value is n here and RHL is m here. Therefore, a limit exists here. Limit f of x as x tending to 0 exists if m and n both are equal here. Okay, this is the first solution here. Next, at x equal to 1, take a LHL here. Limit of f of x as x tending to 1 minus here. Limit of x tending to 1 minus. 1 minus means x less than 1. Here x less than 1 here, function is nx plus m. So right here nx plus m here. Put x value 1. So n into 1 plus m here. Therefore this equal to m plus n. Then RHL limit of f of x as x tending to 1 plus here, that is equal to limit of x tending to 1 plus here x greater than 1. So just you look at x greater than 1 function is this here, nx cube plus m. So n x cube plus m. Put x value 1 here. So n into 1 cube plus m here. 1 into n into 1 becomes 1. Therefore n plus m here. Therefore LHL is m plus n, RHL is m plus n. Therefore limit exists for all the values of n and m here. Okay. Therefore limit of f of x as x tending to 1 exists for all m and n. M and n value, whatever it may be here, the function is means the limit of the function is exists here. M and n, whatever it may be. Okay, whatever it may be. Here m and n are what here? They are already given integers here. Therefore, m and n, whatever integers here, the limit exists because here is m plus n, here also m plus n. Both are equal here. Okay. So these are examples on limits from exercise.